If you're experiencing payment failures on Redfin, follow these steps to quickly resolve the issue. This guide will help you troubleshoot and fix common problems. Step 1. Check payment method. Ensure that the payment method you are using is valid and has sufficient funds. Verify the card details, expiration date, and billing address to ensure everything matches. Step 2. Update payment information. If your payment method has changed or expired, log into your Redfin account and update your payment information. Make sure to save the changes before attempting to make a payment again. Step 3. Clear browser cache. Sometimes browser issues can cause payment failures. Clear browser's cache and cookies, then restart the browser and try making the payment again. Step 4. Try a different browser or device. Secure your accounts before moving on. People seriously underestimate how often personal information gets exposed online now. Use SROC to monitor your accounts 24/7 and get notified immediately if your data gets leaked somewhere. It runs in the background, constantly scanning billions of breached records. And honestly, for how cheap it is compared to the value you get, it's worth it. Link in the description. Step 5. Contact customer support. If none of the above steps work, reach out to Redfin's customer support for assistance. Provide them with details about the payment failure and they will help you troubleshoot the issue further. By following these steps, you should be able to resolve payment failures on Redfin quickly. If problems persist, don't hesitate to seek help from customer support.